Good morning to all of you. So we already finished internal as well as external link, and today I'm going to tell you one more tag, pre-tag. Pre is pre-formatted tag. It is known as, and it is used as the name is pre-formatted. That means it will already formatted. It will be in formatted form. Whatever we will put inside the pre-tag, that will remain like that only. That means whatever space you will give and whatever tab you will use, it will display it as it is appearing in notepad. That type only it will show you on a browser, the output of the code. So here it is. As for example, here I have written pre tag start as well as end tag. It is a container tag. And then here one poem written. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all, which I learned in my school days. So here, when you will see the output, see here, it is taking the type space by itself. So whatever, not by itself, but whatever you have given the type space, it will show you in that format only. That is pre-tag, pre-formatted tag. We have finished with pre-tag also, which I left to discuss about. Now, in today's video lesson, I am going to start one new topic, that is table tag, how to create table. So table is also very important tag in HTML. When we talk about HTML, so table is also very important tag. Why it is an important tag? Because by the help of table, we can give the specific format to our page. And this is one of my favorite tag, right? And it contains many subtags also, and there are a lot of possibilities of formatting with the help of table tag. Now, so it contains, what are the subtags it contains? So just write it down in your copy. First one is tr tag, which creates row. Then is th and td. Both are same, but the appearance is different. The task of both the tag is same, but the appearance is only different. Then after td and th, tr, td, then is caption, which is used to give headings to the table, that is caption, right, which appear above the table all the time. Then is t head, t body, and t foot, right? So these are table subtags, right? Subtags of table tag. Here it is. All these are. The first one is tr, which means table row. Then th means table heading. Then td means table division or data also you can say. Then caption is used to define the table, to give table description, what types of table that is, what it contains, what that table contains specifically. So in short form we write. Then t head. T head means table header, not headings, table header. Remember this. And this is body of the table, and at last this one is table footer. So remember this header and footer, right? So we have learned about header and footer in MS Word also in class 9th. Header appears in all the pages. In one page, when you will give, it appears in all the pages. And footer, which when you will give in one page, then it will appear in all the other pages. So footer, so that header and footer here also, right? So we will see how to use this afterwards when the topic will come. But before, I'm going to show you how to create table and how it takes the code, how it render the code. So for creating table, we start with table tag, table table tag, close. Then the very first sub tag which we use is tr, table row. First we create row and then we will create columns. Row is, as we all know, that row is from left to right which goes, and column which comes from top to bottom, right? So that is rows and columns. So to clear about rows and columns, so you studied in Excel also what is row and what is columns. You need to be careful about rows and columns. So here it is, see, suppose this one is a table here. This is actually frame of the table known as outer border, right? Then I'm going to create this one is row, right, from left to right, and this one is column from top to bottom. So this is column and this is row. So remember this is row, not row runa wala no, and this is column, column. Sorry for inconvenience, very bad handwriting, but maybe verbally I'm talking to you also, so I'm clarifying you also about. So here it is row and column. So this is left to right, this whole row. So see here, when I will create column, then see here, dimension should be same, right? Dimension should be same, width should be same. Here some problem is there, not width is same, but assume it as same width. So this is first column, second column, third column, fourth and fifth column. And row wise, this one is first row, second row, third row, fourth row. That means it contains 4 rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 5 columns are there, right? 4 rows and 5 columns are there in this table, right? So be clear about row and column. So TR, the first we create, so that means first we create row and then we divide that row into number of columns, right? First we create rows, that means first we create rows and then we will divide it into number of columns, right? So here it is tr to create row, and then td1 td close, then again td2 td close, and then again td3 td close, and now I am close it with tr tag, and then at last end it with table tag. That's it. Now save it and see the preview. Save it as the name table.htm or html on desktop and see the preview. Now this is table, how we can create table, but suddenly you are start saying that करे इसमें table कहाँ, border कहाँ, इसमें कोई line कहाँ table ये 123 लिखा हुआ है. So see here, when we are creating table, then we need to define border also. Border of the table, the border is equal to 1. This is thickness of the table, border 1, right? Now save and see. That is one of the attribute of the table tag. See 1, 2, 3. So here it is 1 row and 3 columns it contains, and each column, in one first column 1 is there, second column 2 is there, and third column 3 is there. So this is column and this one is first one is row, right? Now I want to create one more row. For that purpose again I will write tr, then again I will write td, and then I will write suppose 4, then again td 5, td end, and again td 6, td end, and then end with tr tag, table tag. Save and see the preview. So 2 rows and 3 columns, right? So 2 rows, 1 and 2 rows, and how many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns, right? So this is how we can create table. Now, when you will write the code of in your classwork copy or in your board exams or any internal exams also, try to maintain this habit of writing the code, right? So here I have given white spaces. I have used white spaces. Why I have used white spaces? So that it will be clear for others also to see, right? So they can see and understand what is written, how it is written, and which code is doing what, right? The function performing, which code is performing what function. So that considering those things in my mind, I always write like this only. So you also always to score high in your examination, write your code like this only and make it your habit also, and further also, and so make it your habit. So write like this only. So table border is equal to 1, then code table end. This is how we can create table. Now here again, if I want to change the color of the background of the table, so table border is equal to 1 and bg color, as we all familiar with bg color attribute of body tag. So here also, if you want to give body color whatever you have given, now you want to separately give the color to the table background also. So bg color is equal to, here you can write the color, specific color, suppose red, right? And see the preview red. If some specific row color you want to change, then tr bg color is equal to yellow. Save and see the preview, yellow, right? So on on red background, first row is appearing in a yellow color. If you want to give the specific color to the specific column, you can also give that by the help of bg color only. Like here, if we want to give, then we can write like bg color is equal to green, likewise, right? Now here in place of td I am going to write th. So tr, th, here also th, here also th. Save and now see what happened. First row, 3 columns, all these 3 data become bold, right? Why that become bold? Because of th tag. Th means table headings. So wherever you will write th, it will convert the text into heading tag, means it will appear bold, little bold. So we can use it smartly. How? See here. In place of 1, I am going to write srno. Then here I am going to write name, and here I am going to write class, and here I will write is 1, and here 10th. Now see the use of th and td. Both, the purpose of both the tag is same, but the appearance what they give to the text, that is different. So here is normal text and here is bold text like heading. So that is why th is heading and td is data. Simply it writes the data. But both will divide the rows. both will divide the row and both will create the columns, right? So difference between th and tr tag. So for today class, that much only. In the next class, again we will proceed further and we will see the other attributes of table tag as well as some other components of table tag, right? So that's all for today class. Take care of yourself and keep updating yourself and be safe and healthy. Thank you.